Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing a shaded, well-ventilated workspace out of direct sunlight. Park with windows slightly lowered to allow edges to move freely. Wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for solvents before starting. Gather a heat gun, a razor blade held at a 45-degree angle, a plastic scraper, and a spray bottle of ammonia. Prepare paper towels and clean microfiber cloths for immediate cleanup. Keep a trash bag nearby to discard removed tint and contaminated towels safely. Heat a corner of the tint using a heat gun set near 300 degrees F from about 6 inches away. Move the gun continuously to prevent glass stress and keep heat even. Once warmed, lift an edge and peel the tint slowly at a 45-degree angle with steady, even pulls. For factory tint or broken film, score the interior film into strips before peeling to control sections. Spray ammonia on paper towels and press them to stubborn adhesive to soften the residue. Repeat heating and peeling steps until after removing the film, apply an adhesive remover designed for automotive use and wait 5 to 10 minutes for softening. Use a plastic scraper first to lift softened adhesive. Repeat application as needed for full removal. For tight edge areas, use a razor blade at a shallow angle under 20 degrees to avoid scratching the glass. Wipe the glass with ammonia or a dedicated glass cleaner and clean microfiber cloths until no residue remains. Inspect seals and window mechanisms and reassemble any trim removed during the process. Dispose of film scraps and contaminated towels in a sealed trash bag according to local regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.